Hey everyone, Mamun here for Microchip, and in this episode we are going to build a Blink application. This basically means we'll be driving a pin on the microcontroller high and then low to turn on and off an LED connected to one of its pins. I have created a new project called Blink for the PIC16F18875 in MPLAB X IDE. This project is also configured to use the MPLAB XC8 compiler and the Curiosity high pin count board. All I need to do now is to build up the application code, so let's start the clock and get it started. Now to launch MCC, click on the MCC icon from the navigation bar. Once MCC starts, the default view will be System Module. Here you can see the current system clock speed with the information about the oscillator. Additionally, if you click on the Registers tab, you can see all the registers value and the configuration bits. On the bottom of the page, we have the pin manager, and from the GPIO, let's select RF4 as output for the LED. Once selected, we can head over to the pin module under Project Resources. Here you can give it a custom name, and I'm going to name it as LED. We will also uncheck the analog box as it is a digital output. Now for accurate representation of this package type, we can change it to PD40 from the pin manager to match the MCU on the Curiosity board. A graphics of the PD package will show on the right side, which reflects the change we have made on RF4. Click Generate and hit Save for MCC to allow code generation. Once finished, we can see under Projects, MCC has generated header files and source files, including a main.c. Now we need to add some C code. Double click to open main.c and scroll down through the file, and you will see there is a while loop where you can add your application code. Now let's go to the header files, and under MCC generated files, double click on the pinmanager.h. And if you scroll down, you will see there is a whole bunch of macros that have been created for the LED pin that we named earlier. We're going to copy the LED toggle macro using Ctrl+C, and then we're going to simply paste it into our while loop using Ctrl+V. You want to make sure that you put in that semicolon. Finally, we're going to use an included delay function, and you can find that under Help, Help Contents, XC8 Toolchain, MPLAB XC8C compiler, Library Functions, and here you can see all the different XC8 functions. We're going to use the delay function. So you need to go back to main.c and add __ delay _ms for milliseconds. And if you put a number inside of the parentheses, that's going to delay for that number of milliseconds. In this case, we're using 500 milliseconds or half a second. Make sure you add the semicolon. Now hit the Make and Program Device button, and that will start our compilation and program the PIC16F18875. Okay, so we are done, and that's the Blink application in a little over 2 minutes. To download step-by-step instructions for what you have covered in this video, or to find out more about our 8-bit products and how to order sample, just visit the link on your screen. I'm Mamun Ahmed. Thanks for watching.